Hi everyone, welcome to Addota Farm. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you can take care of your poultry bed. It's very important that we take care of our poultry bed, especially broiler. If you are a poultry bed breeder, if you are breeding your broiler, or you are raising your broiler for Christmas, for Easter, or whatever purpose, you need to take a very good care of your chickens. The reason why disease happens to our chicken is because we, the farmers, we are not taking very good care of our poultry bed. I'm speaking from experience. I raised a poultry years ago, and I actually lost most of the broiler that I'm raising. If I tell you that I'm going to raise a new broiler now, that means I'm lying. But I actually changed my mind then, because I sat down and I was like, okay, what can I do to reduce the amount of chicks dying in their pen? So I decided to construct a very good house for them, and I want to share with you the ways that you can take a very good care of your poultry bed. Now, number one is avoid overcrowding. Don't overcrowd your chickens, especially we that are raising this. We that are raising a day-old broiler. Avoid overcrowding. Doing that, we're just going to overcrowd, and I will just think that okay, that those chickens are very small, so let's jam pack them in one house. So whenever they reach reach like 3 weeks or 4 weeks, they will not start separating them. It's not done that way. Overcrowding then is very bad, because if one of them eventually happens to have a disease, then it's going to spread the disease to the rest of them. They spread disease rapidly. They can spread disease very fast. So avoid overcrowding. The second thing is, if you are a type of person that are raising your broiler, and inside the house you you put a carpet or any material things inside the house, you need to clean the house always. Like especially whenever those chicks pull on top of the material, you need to clean the house always. In my own particular pen, I put a carpet. Let me show you. I put a carpet inside the house. So this morning I make sure that I clean this carpet, because I discovered that the chicks has already pulled on top of the carpet. So I clean it to look very beautiful. You need to clean it, sun dry it, so it will reduce the amount of disease happening to your poultry bed, your broiler. So you need to clean it, sun dry it. Whenever I clean it, use detergent to wash it to kill all the germs. Those diseases that used to cause damages to your bed, to your broiler. So you need to wash them with detergent, put it with carpet or any type of material thing that is sprayed inside the house of a poultry bed. You need to wash it with detergent, then sun dry it. Then after you have sprayed these materials in the sun, then you bring it back and spread it inside the house and keep your poultry bed inside. Then the number 3 things is their feeding equipment. We need to take care of the feeding equipment. The feeding equipment is very important. Some of us we didn't like washing those drinkers, the feeders, and the rest things, and it's very important that we keep it clean. And so you human beings, if you are not taking your bath always, you will discover that you won't be okay. So likewise to poultry bed also. So we need to clean their drinkers, things that they used to feed. We need to clean their feeders, their drinkers always, to give a healthy life to our poultry bed. Then number 4 is whenever you are building your poultry bed, when you are constructing your poultry bed house, make sure there is enough ventilation. There's enough space where air will be coming into the poultry bed. You just keep them inside one side. You are not allowing them to roam about for food. So you need to allow air to come inside. So you need to allow it to come inside the poultry bed, so that the poultry won't get sick and some other thing won't start happening to your poultry bed. So I just decided to share these ways with you, so that whenever you run it and you take care of your poultry, you will discover that you have a good result and your poultry will live a healthy life. So please, if you are new in this channel, please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel whenever you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we are always happy because we think we have this mindset that this information that we are giving to you is very vital to you, and whenever you practice it, you are getting a very good result from it. So please like this video, turn the notification bell, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and always comment so that you know, so that we will know if we are giving you the right information or we are giving you the wrong information. Please, if you are new in this channel, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we drop a new videos, and don't forget to smash the like button.